Look at the sunrise this morning. We're up. We're ready. We're about to drive off. Good morning, everyone. Okay, it's QIA time. Last minute. Oh, there's a baby. You stay, okay? Last load. Oops. Last load going into the QIA. Got the books.
I was like, who is she filming? Who is she filming? She's filming Cindy.
Oh, look at that. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Oh,
And Diane, y'all are the
thank
best.
you.
We'll be back.
Okay, we're gonna go get some pizza. Papa Murphy's. Yummy, yum, yum. Alright, got the pizza. Okay, we're back from QIA. And what happens when I turn on the camera, Sammy? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Shh. Shh. Yeah. And we bought a Papa Murphy's pizza. And I'm going to stick it in the oven right now. We're going to have pizza here in about 30 minutes. Now that looks amazing. Yummy. No tortilla pizza for us tonight. This is a real pizza. Thank you, Loretta. She gave us some extra money today. So we got a Murphy's pizza for lunch. Does it feel good? Does it feel good?
Sammy. What do you want? Show me. Okay, go.
Go home. Don't knock my Coke over. What? What do you want? I don't know what you're talking about. It's 3:42. Yes. No! Ow! Ow! That got me. What do you want? Well, go home. Go home. Go home. Go tell. What?
Are you wanting something? What are you wanting?
I want food.
She said, you said the word. You said the
All right.
word.
Are you hungry? Okay, let's go. Did I say it?
Ask him.
Are you hungry? You hungry?
He says it's in there.
Yeah. What do you want? She says, I'm done playing.